Attached to this video are directions on how to make a no-cook Play-Doh. We can add orange food coloring if you have it, and also some spices like cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice to give it a nice smell for another sensory experience, as well as touch and smell both. In the picture you see here, they've taken the dough and they've sort of rolled it out into a pumpkin shape. And then they've taken some fun little things to add as seeds. They actually have some pumpkin seeds that they pressed in. They used some corn kernels, whatever you have at home that you could use to create a pumpkin with your Play-Doh would work. And you can really use your hands to try to press the corn kernels or the pumpkin seeds or whatever you might have at home into your Play-Doh. They also, as you can see, it looks like they put a little cork that they pressed in here as a stem. You can also use some pipe cleaners if you have them for a leaf or a stem, whatever you might have. But the point is to have fun, use your hands for manipulation, and add some nice smell as well.